Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check your transactions in Payoneer. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome, and after that, as you can see, I have already opened my Payoneer account. So let's click on this. And now we need to sign in the Payoneer account. So let's wait. So as you can see, the Payoneer account is logged in. Now, if you want to see the transactions, you can also check the transactions here. Like this is the transaction currently I have did, and after that, if you want to view all, you have to click on the view all, and after clicking on this, you will see your all the transactions here. And as you can see, all the transactions are given here. If you want to download them or print them, you can also do it. For example, I want this in the PDF, then click on this and it will be downloaded in the PDF format. If you want to print it out, you can also do that. It's up to you. You have to click on this print out, and after that, if you want if you want this in the Excel format, you can also do that. You have to click on this and it will be downloaded. So I'm going to minimize this, and here's the monthly statement. If you want to get the monthly statement, you can also do that. So in this way, you can check your transactions and download your monthly statements, and you can check you all the things in the Pioneer account. So see you guys in the next video.